subtractions of unlike fractions. Then here look, 8 by 11 minus 5 by 7. This which type of fraction? These are the unlike fractions because its denominators are different. Then it's the first step, same as addition. First, find the LCM of this denominators. What is the LCM of 11 and 7? Then LCM of method is also same as addition. So first we find out LCM of 11 and 7. Here 11 and 7 have no common factor except 1. So we can directly multiply these numbers. And what is LCM? 77. This 77 write as a common denominator. Look. 8, 11 minus 5 by 7. Here, which number? 77 is the take as the common denominator. So, this 11 convert into which number? 77. So, 11 multiplied by 7 is equal to 77. Then being here numerator 8 also multiplied by 7. Then minus next 5 minus 7. Then 7 multiplied by which number? 11, 77. So numerator also multiplied by 11. Then look, 8 sevens are 56 by 11. Sorry, 77. 11 into 7, 77. Minus 5 into 50. 11 5s are 55 by which number? 77. Denominator here 77. Then now look at this fractions. These two fractions are which type of fraction now? These are like fractions. Look, this two fractions means unlike fraction convert into which fraction? Like fraction. Then we can subtract the number numerator. 56 minus 55 by which is the common denominator here? 77. Then 56 minus 55 which number? 1. Answer 1 by 77. Is it clear? The next 3 by 4 minus 3 by 6. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 6. Here look, these are different denominators 4 and 6. So here find out the LCM of 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6. So what is the LCM of 4 and 6? Look, 2. 2 2s are 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Here common denominator we take as which number? 12. So this 2 denominator convert into 12. Then 3 by 4 minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 convert into which number? Convert into 12. So this 4 into which number? 12. 4. 3s are 12. Here denominator multiply by 3. Numerator also multiply by 3. Then plus next fraction 3 plus not subtraction. Then next 3 by 6. 3 by 6. This numerator which number? 6. 6 change into 12. So 6 multiplied by 2. And here 6 multiplied by 2. This numerator also multiplied by 2. Then is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 12. Minus 3 2s are 6 by 12. Here now which fraction are this? These are the like fractions. So then we can subtract this numbers. Then here denominator, which number are denominator is 12. Common denominator 12 and 9 minus 6. Subtract numerator and write answer. Then here 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 by 12. You put 3 by 12. Has this numerator and denominator look, these two numbers have any common factor divided by highest common number look common factor which is 3 3. So what is answer here? Look, 3 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 which number? 4. Then 1 upon 4. 1 by 4 is the 4 is answer, and look, it's the simplest format 1 by 4. Is it clear? The next then subtraction of mixed subtraction of mixed fractions. Look, for first we can take addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Look here. First, two fractions. So this is which type of fraction? Mixed fraction. Look, when we add this mixed fraction, first this mixed fraction convert into which fraction? Improper fraction. So next one here. How to mixed fraction convert into improper fraction? Denominator multiply by whole number plus numerator. Here look, is equal to this whole number. Whole number multiply by which number? Denominator. Whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator by denominator. So what is this answer? 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 3, 30 by 5. The next, then 3 multiply by 5. Whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator by which number? Denominator. So 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by which number? 5. So we can write it 2 improper fraction. This 2, 3 by 5 is mixed fraction and 13 by 5 plus mixed fraction of 3 1 by 5. What is its mixed fraction? 16 by 5. Now we look at these two fractions are which fraction? Like fraction. So we add the numerator and write the denominator, same denominator. Then 30 plus 60 by which is the denominator here? This like fraction, so write the same denominator. Then 13 by 16 is equal to 29 by 5. This look 29 by 5 improper fraction. So this improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. Then 29 divided by 5 is equal to how many times? 5. Right? Answer 5. 4 by here quotient which number is 5. This quotient you write as a whole number and this divisor denominator. So its answer is 5. 4 upon 5. Is it clear? This addition of a mixed fraction. Here this which type of fraction is like fraction. Then next mixed fraction will come. First we convert into improper fraction. So then one more question. So look. Look, first this is convert into which fraction? Improper fraction. Then look, directly you can write 2 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Then now look to this which type of fraction? These are unlike fractions. So we find out the LCM of 2 and 3. Here LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Then 6 we write as a common denominator. Then is 5 by 2. Then this is convert into which number? To convert into 6. So multiply by which number? 2 3s are 6. Here 5 3s are plus 10 upon 10 by 3. Then 3 change into convert into 6. Then 3 2s are 6. Then numerator also multiply by the same number. Then now we look to 5 3s are 50 by which number? 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 10 2s are 20. 20 by 6. Then now we look to which type of fraction? These are like fractions. So we add the numerator and write that the same denominator. 15 plus 20 20 by 6. Then is equal to which number? 35 by 6. Then this we can write this improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator big, denominator small. So this we can convert into mixed fraction. Then 35 divided by 6. How many times? 5 times. 5 3 6 are 30. So here quotient whole number 5 and denominator 6 and numerator 5. So what is this answer? 5 upon 6. Is it clear? This is addition of mixed fraction. Then next subtraction of mixed fraction. And 3 mixed fraction will come. First we convert mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So this we can convert. Then 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. By which number? 6. Then which side? 9. So then 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 2 40 by 6. Now this is which type of fraction? These are like fraction. So like fractions write the same denominator and subtract the numerator. 19 minus 40 is equal to which number? 5 by 6. Do you understand how to subtract mixed fraction? Mixed fraction first convert into improper fraction. Then look its denominator. Its denominators are same. So you write that same denominator and subtract the numerators. Is clear? Then next. Here are two fractions, mixed fraction. Look, first what is this? These are which type of fraction? Mixed fraction. So first this mixed fraction convert into which fraction? Improper fractions. Then how to convert? Here whole number multiplied by denominator plus numerator by that same denominator. Here 3 multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by which number? 4. Then next 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 by which number? 5. Then now look at this denominators are different. So this is unlike fraction. So find out the LCM of which numbers? 4 and 5. LCM of denominators. So 4 and 5 is equal to which number? 20. LCM of these two numbers is 20. So this 20 write as a common denominator. Then 13 by 4 minus 12 by 5 is equal to this first fraction 13 by 4. This 4 convert into which number? 20. So 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20. Right? Here denominator multiplied by 5. Numerator also multiplied by 5. Right? Which is sign? Subtraction sign. The next is 3rd by 5. Here look this 5 convert into 20. So 5 multiplied by 4 which number? 4. 5 4s are 20. Then numerator also multiplied by the same number 4. That is equal to look 13 5s are 3 5s are 50 carry 1 5 1s are 5 5 plus 1 6 by which number? 20. Is clear? 13 5s are 65. Subtract then 12 4s are 48 by 20. Then now look which fractions these are like fractions. So we can subtract right the same denominator and subtract the number 65 by 48. Look 65 by 48 which number? 7 and so what is this answer? 70 by 20. Here answer 70 by 20. Is clear how to subtract mixed fraction. Then okay, thank you.